Okay, so on Monday, you guys clicked on the Bulldog and saw a little video about how to play the school song, and then you saw that your school song is all in here, your parts, and then that here was theory. Okay, now I want to show you just a couple other things, and just maybe explain why they're here. Oh, that's kind of annoying over there. So this piano. My high schoolers always ask for me to play the Peanuts theme. So it's not a video of me playing the Peanuts theme, but it's just a recording of that. Just because anytime they saw a piano, they're like, Mrs. Helen, play Linus and Lucy. So whatever. This little poster takes you to the Chrome Music Lab, which is really cool. I've just learned about this. My favorite thing is there's a song maker, and you just plug in all this stuff and it creates a song. You can change the instruments. So those of you, especially with Chromebooks, this could be really cool. This is simply a metronome. So this is, would help you keep the beat. This one, I like the shark, is a video on YouTube of band kids playing Baby Shark in a million different styles. We've got The President's Own, which is an amazing army band. Playing Anger's Away. Looney Tunes are some of the best classical music ever. This basketball thing is pretty cool. It's you watch a video and they tell you which beat to play your basketball, to bounce. It's really cool to dribble along with. And then this is Mario. So it's a video of a tuba and euphonium playing the Mario Brothers theme song, which is really fun. I believe this one has some musical styles, explore the world type stuff along with here. This is a bucket drumming play along deal. This is just a book that someone that I found. It's a read along, and it's a children's book, but it's interesting, and it's talking about how music just keeps inspiring people. And the person who wrote it is Mo Willems, who's the pigeon and the bus and that sort of stuff. So kind of cool. Marching band. So this is U of M marching band. This is an interesting TED Talk on a carrot clarinet. So some of you might want to mess around with that. This one just has a recording of Star Splitter Fanfare. This is the Incredibox. Some of you might not be able to get this to work on your devices, but it's pretty cool. It's like a beatboxing app. And then you pick different guys to do different stuff and you create. It's really cool. And then there's just a couple other different websites to explore. So all your job today is explore. And then your comment today in attendance is going to be, what was your favorite thing that you found? You may not be interested in some of this. Maybe you're so over Baby Shark. Maybe you're not a video games Mario Brother person at all. But maybe you thought the carrot clarinet. I actually had a student who tried to make it and she said she got it to work. So yeah, today is just a day to explore something on the shelf in the virtual classroom, and then let me know what you thought of it.